teaches English.
Shut up is a rude thing to say, but not always. Did you know we also use shut up colloquially?
Roger, why are you dressed like that?
The boss said we don't have to dress up for work anymore. Like, ever.
Shut up.
Shut up can be used to show excitement in the form of disbelief, the same way you might say,
No way.
or
You're kidding me. Stop.
the person receiving the news is so excited that he or she cannot believe the news is real.
I just won a vacation to Hawaii, and I'm taking you with me.
Shut up. So the next time someone tells you some exciting news, you might want to tell them to shut up.